Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Sally Hansen Eyebrow, Face, Lip Stripless Face Wax Kit, pack of 1. But if you are careful, and are taking your time, you won't get it anywhere but the spot you are applying it to. Warning that your skin may turn into red bumps after removing the wax, but that fades by the next morning if you do it at night before bed. It comes with large wax strips, which you can cut to smaller ones for lip brows. Wax hair removal. This was very painful, and was stuck on legs for several days. Got rash. Directions were easy, however when you go to remove the wax, no matter how thick or thin the wax crumbles. It does okay, but you have to apply more than once to get most of the eyebrow hair. She was in agony for a week after, and it took 4 weeks to completely heal. The only thing about this wax is that you need to microwave it for a lot longer than the box says. Pain is as expected for a wax, so be prepared for that. Only stings for a little. Even though you're thinking, wow, this is a liquidy mess as you're about to put it on, it hardens almost the second you put it on. I've tried some other products by Sally Hansen for eyebrows wax strips, and didn't like them nearly as much. If you have waxed at home a few times, you shouldn't have any problem with getting the product to work properly. That being said, why doesn't it wash off with water, like other kinds of wax? Waxing is messy. You do need to be careful that the wax is not too hot before applying. Buy the wax for the type of hair you have, and if your skin easily bruises or rips, this product might not be the one for you. The wet hot towel is to soften the product so you can wipe it away, and the oil is to actually break down and slip to the product so it won't stick to your hair. Not that effective, is okay for emergency times when you can't head towards the parlor. Purchased this product, and it came opened, and was missing strips, the oil, and the applicator sticks. The oil that comes with the kit works miracles, and don't be fooled by the small vial of it. Wax works well, and removes hair cleanly as long as the wax is warm enough, thin, hair is short enough, and applied correctly. Applied with growth, ripped against growth. One wax is not going to last you nearly 8 weeks as advertised unless you have really slow hair growth. Leaves tiny bits of stickies on the skin, and very hard to scratch off from your hands, and that is annoyingly such a hassle. And when it is actually a decent consistency, it doesn't even take the majority of the hair off. If not, the oil included in the box really does work to remove any leftover wax. Baby oil works too. Listen people, if you are looking to wax yourself, please do yourself a favor, and don't get this. And isn't that the point? If you wax your legs right, you won't have any leftover wax. Also, the oil provided in the package soothes the skin, and takes away the redness, and gets any remaining wax off. The hardest thing with this product is making sure the wax only touches 3 surfaces: the stick, your skin, and the paper. This is the best wax. It smells amazing, had the perfect melt, and leaves skin very smooth, and hair-free. Yes, between the microwaving 3 times, not enough wax to cover the entire body, and stickiness, it doesn't harden. Those were the easy parts. The only drawback is that it can be messy if you accidentally drip it, and can be kind of hard to clean up off of surfaces once it hardens. You want wax to be warm enough. If it's too cool, it won't work as well, and can rip your skin. Depending on how long waxing is taking you, you'll have to reheat it every so often to keep it the right temp. Regarding pain, it can hurt quite a bit, but no more than other waxing systems I've tried. If you want to try this, make sure you buy it from an actual store where you can return it if it does not work. After one time of heating it up, it seemed to get harder and harder to remelt the wax for the next session. After 4 or 5 applications, it became impossible to remelt the wax to a consistent texture or temperature. This wax isn't perfect in that it doesn't rip off perfectly to remove, can be messy, definitely hurts. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.